from the state of Tamil Nadu. This is a political storm, and that too where BJP, AIADMK and TVK are hitting at the Chief Minister MK Stalin, that too over watching Bison Kalamaran movie. The interesting fact here is that the Chief Minister watched the movie and stated that he was very much pleasantly happy to see such a movie. However, TVK, AIADMK and BJP are questioning the time when this has occurred, as Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the opposition leader and the General Secretary of AIADMK, had gone to the Delta region where he stated that since paddy that was harvested was not procured on time, it has led to complete wastage of whatever that was placed. And this is where EPS, TVK and BJP are claiming that the government, state government, did not act on time, leading to a lot of wastage of paddy, the hard work of the farmers, thereby claiming that the Chief Minister is not at all bothered about the farmers as he was watching Bison Kalamaran. These are the allegations that has been brought by EPS, BJP and TVK leader Vijay.
The DMK has promised several silos to be constructed, several storage facilities to be made for the farmers across the Delta region and Kadalur. But unfortunately, DMK, just like how they faltered on 80% of their promises, has also failed the farmers of Tamil Nadu by not delivering what they promised. Because of that, several lakhs of metric tons of grains have been affected. The farmers are crying, but the CM and his son are busy reviewing movies instead of worrying and taking part in the misery of the farmers.
மக்கள் பிரச்சனைகளை பார்க்காமல் இவ்வளவு ஒரு நல்ல ஆட்சியை யாரும் நடத்த முடியாது. ஒரு திரைப்படத்தை பார்ப்பதனாலேயே மக்களை பற்றி கவலை இல்லை. ஏன்னா மக்களுடைய கவலைகளை, அவர்களுடைய வாழ்க்கையை வெளிப்படுத்துவதுதான் திரைப்படங்கள். சில திரைப்படங்களாவது, எல்லா படங்களும் இல்லைன்னா கூட. அதனால அதையும் பார்க்கக்கூடிய ஒரு இடத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடியவர்கள், கலைஞர்களையும் ஊக்குவிக்கக்கூடிய ஒருவர் தான் முதலமைச்சர். அதே நேரத்திலே மக்களுடைய பிரச்சனைகளை, அது எந்த பிரச்சனையாக இருந்தாலும் ஓடோடி